Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about AMP big price explosion that is going to happen very soon. Because guys, in today's video we have some awesome announcements regarding the AMP token. As you can see, some of those things are happening and will impact the price and the price action of AMP token very soon. So this is why I'm making this urgent video to share with you these big announcements. So if you're a member of an AMP community, make sure to watch this video till the end so you can fully understand what is currently going on with the AMP, because guys, this is big. You can see we are currently trading at a 0.05 and we are kind of in a slow decline, but things are about to change drastically. So if you're a member of a crypto community, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because I'm starting to post daily news about AMP token and you don't want to miss anything, so make sure to be subscribed. Also, one more thing here is that we are currently in a decline, and that's the truth, but things are about to change. As you can see, 24-hour volume is still pretty decent, even though it can be a lot higher. So if we go and check out on the market, you can see the Coinbase is still first. There's a Binance and ZT, but the Coinbase is still the first. And regarding the announcements, we are in truly following the Bitcoin, and that's the truth. But for the AMP, things are going to change very soon. So let's start with the announcements first. Bittrex just accepted AMP and is going to make AMP on their market available for trading, which is amazing. So that's a big news. First, for the AMP, trading volume is going to skyrocket, as well as the market cap, because big investors are on the Bittrex, and that's the first sign and the price catalyst for price action that I'm going to show up today. Also, one more thing here about the AMP, introducing transformers, a new way to connect two-layer scaling solutions like Lightning Network to Flexa. So basically, if you go and check out this article, Flexa adds support for fraud-proof Lightning Network payments, and they will be using AMP. So we can expect increased volume for the AMP token, as well as some price market movement, because circulating supply is not that big. Even though it looks big, it's not that big. A lot of that is already burned, and we are expecting price explosion very soon, because you can see, if we go and check out the chart, you can see right here that we are kind of waiting for breaking that resistance line. It was set on about, I think it was the 6th of December, and we got rejected right here. We went down, and since then we are in a slow decline. But definitely you can see a forming of a triangle right here, because support level is still very high for AMP token. We didn't have any drastic falls, as you can see right here, from a 0.06, 05, 06 again. You can see that we are holding on to that volume. And the thing is, when the resistance got break up, after this thing right here jumps up, and we have an increased volume right here. For example, on the 31st of August, when the Bittrex got I would say publicly traded, that's when we actually had a big amount in trading wise, and this is when actually some of the sell-offs are happening. So this is the reason why we couldn't bear the resistance line, but we can definitely expect a steady rise right here, and definitely right now is the time to buy AMP token at a discounted price. But we will talk about price prediction and price analysis a little bit later on. I want to show up with the news first. So one more thing from the AMP Reddit, you can see Panama follows El Salvador introduces bill to recognize cryptos as an alternative payment method, flex adoption by Banco Nacional de Panama. So you could pay actually some of the bills and some of the things with AMP tokens in Salvador and Panama, which is amazing. So imagine the increased volume that we will have when those two countries actually start to accept AMP as their payment method. You can see some of the people are actually speculating and talking about should this be a good move or not. I'm definitely sure that it's a good move, because we will see the increase in the price volume and in 24-hour volume, as well as the price action that is imminent to happen. So this is a good thing. Also, one more thing here, and big announcement, guys. I really think this is very big, Bank will be listing AMP. So basically you will see this is just a GitHub, some sort of a GitHub for Bank post. Bank, dear Bank users, AMP will be listed on Bank at 5 p.m. on September 10th. So you can see it's already listed, and we will have only one trading pair, but soon they will add more. So you can see AMP USDT trading pair is started, and we can definitely expect some of the big things coming up, because Bank is actually one of the most famous exchanges that are accepting AMP, and it has a large number of following. So definitely AMP will be promoted on the Bank. Bank is a huge I would say exchange. So AMP digital, so this is about the AMP, but the most important things are right here. So it will be enabled at 4 p.m. on September 10th. Trading will be open on 5, and withdrawal will be available on 2 p.m. the 2 next day. So basically withdrawal will be available tomorrow. So we could definitely expect some kind of I would say increased volume tomorrow, as well as probably some of the price action for AMP just yet. So we have I would say 2 or 3 big catalysts for the price explosion of AMP already done. So a matter of time. This is just opinion from Reddit, and I wanted to comment on that actually before we start with the price prediction and price analysis. A matter of time, just an honest opinion here. Can't understand why AMP is not going with the whole market. Whatever, great news. The other day nothing, just got an alert and it's going down again, doubled my position. This is going to pop big, it's a matter of time. It's useful, a good project, I really don't care. This token is making a profit and I'm still early. So you can see a different kind of speculations going on into the comment. For example, I only wish I knew about AMP when it was 1 cent. I'm not sure why either, but I'm holding and hoping. The coin has a great utility, just not sure why it isn't moving up. And the thing about AMP is that it actually has a real use case, and definitely those kind of projects are the best. It's not the meme coin, and it's not definitely a wrong pull, so definitely we could expect some price explosion very soon. All I know is every coin I buy dips, and then when I jump ships the coin, I went from the ghost to the moon. So let's cut the deal. I'll sell my AMP. If it goes up as my curse would do, then you'll give me dollars. So this is kind of a funny comment right here, but definitely people are kinda, I would say, not willing to wait for too much, and that's the truth. But you don't even need to wait for too much, because AMP price explosion is imminent. So we could definitely expect, for example, $0.1 in 2021, maybe even $0.5. We could definitely cut 1-0 up just in a matter of a few months, and I'm pretty sure we could do it. So we go to the crypto news, and you can see AMP trades negatively in a short term. Is it failing? AMP was developed by the crypto payments company Flexa, founded in 2018 by a group of crypto enthusiasts. So we will not read all the things about the AMP because you already know a lot of them, but if you go to the price analysis, you could see definitely the things that I was telling you about. The short term trending line and the support level are actually making that triangle, and when this happens in the crypto world, that means that the price explosion is literally imminent, and we could expect some great price action very shortly. So this is consolidation phase, as you can see by this line right here, and this is what we are waiting for. So when we actually broke that resistance line, which is currently at I think it's 0.7, we could definitely expect a big price explosion. So I would say definitely this is probably a last big moment and good moment to get AMPs at a discounted price before we take off to the moon. And if we go to the chart and see what AMP is doing today, you can see that we are in a steady decline, but we are doing sideways. So if we go and check out the Bitcoin trading today, you can see the charts are pretty similar. So we are definitely following the Bitcoin in some kind of a way, but this will definitely going to change very soon, as the Bitcoin is probably going to stagnate and the AMP with the big price catalyst is going to skyrocket very high when we breach that resistance line of a 0.07. And with that said, guys, I hope that you actually enjoyed today's video. Let me know your opinion about the current price moving for AMP. I'm really curious and looking forward to see your opinion down in the comments. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please make sure to smash that subscribe button. Come on guys, it's free. And also, you will be notified when everything new happens about the AMP token, so you don't miss out on any of the big news. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.